Hi, I'm Jade. I'm the educator for Tatti Lashes Liverpool, and today we're going to be creating a mega volume look. We're going to do that with using the Tatti Lashes Blossom Lashes. Throughout the video I'll be showing you tips and tricks of how we can create this mega volume look. Okay, so I'm going to start by using our lash cleansing kit. So this consists of a lash shampoo and a brush as well. As you can see, the bristles are higher and shorter, so this is specifically designed not to damage any lashes. We use this just to get rid of any impurities or any oils that could be on the lashes before application. So it's a little foam, and how we use it is we just dot it along the lashes. Okay, and then we're just going to take any residue off using the adhesive cotton wipes. So these are perfect for wiping down the glue as well as using them just to get rid of any lash shampoo that may be on the lashes still. So I'm just wiping our model's makeup off underneath just to ensure that the pads and the sleeves don't lift, that way keeping the under lashes safely underneath the pads. So now we're going to cover the bottom lashes so that we don't adhere any lashes to them by accident, and we're going to use micro pore tape. We're going to use it in a cross style because we don't want the top lashes to be lifted up by the tape or the pads. It's really good to use both methods, the tape and the pads. That way we're just ensuring that every little hair is taped down. Using the tape underneath makes it easier to apply the lash pad and also more comfortable for the client. So using the mascara ones, these Tatti Lashes Forever ones, they're reusable. Also come with a little plastic tube so that they don't get anything on them like hair or anything that could stick onto this brush. So now we're going to prime the lash. And we just want to spray this on 2 micro pore brushes. We're just going to pinch the lash in between both brushes and brush up the lash. The reason we do this is just to get rid of any last bits of oils or dirt or anything that is on the lashes. So now we want a lash mat. So we're following the model's natural eyelash length, but we're going to create that fullness, just being more long, where hair longest length is naturally. So these are just the guides, they don't fit everybody's eye shape, so they're just a guide for you to go off. And now we want to get our glue ready. So our glue, it's very important for us to keep the room temperature between 22 and 23 degrees. The best working humidity environment for the glue to work is 50 to 55%. The way that we can ensure that it stays at the right temperature is by storing it in one of our Tatti Lashes glue storage pots. So we're going to dispense our glue into these glue pots. We have 26 little sections for us to put our glue in, so they are reusable. And the reason that these are so good to use is because they stop any dust or air getting to the glue, so it lasts us longer. So we're going to use, the map we've chose today is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. And we're going to use a 0.05 thickness in the Tatti Lashes Blossom Lashes. So with the 0.05, we're safely able to put up to 9 lashes onto one.